Just as small upgrades add up to a major improvement for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, small refinements in design and execution make cases for the Z Fold 4 much better than the previous generation. Cases that protect the outer hinge are much more prevalent, and adhesives have been moved or upgraded to help avoid cases falling off and leaving your phone hanging, or else falling to the ground face first. From swanky cases that are as prestigious as they are productive to miniature tanks to protect these awesome Android phones, there is a case for every type of owner here. So please don't leave your foldable naked and afraid, but use the best Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases and give it the security it deserves. Urban Armor Gear Civilian isn't slim by any means, but it's well cushioned and offers a slim hinge protector without needing a thick flap. The hinge cover here slides into the case's backplate to let the case sit flat when the main display is open, then slide back out when closed to protect the hinge. This style is used by several brands, Spigen, Otterbox, Chief among them. But UAG's version protects more of the hinge, and its thinner material slides more easily than some thicker versions. Inside there is still plenty of room for honeycomb ear cushioning, and the sculpting across the back provides grip and a deep reach around the camera to keep those lenses safe. The color variety here is the standard for the Civilian series: black, malage blue and olive green, but I wish we had a bit more variety. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to catch your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.